Ooh, yeah. Oh, very superstitious, writings on the wall. Very superstitious, let us about to fall. 13-month-old baby broke the looking glass. 7 years of bad luck, the good things in your past. Oh yeah, when you believe in things that you don't understand, then you suffer. Superstitions ain't the way. Yeah, yeah, woo. Very superstitious. Wash your face and hand. Rid me of the problem. Do all that you can. Keep me in a daydream. Keep me going strong. You don't wanna save me. Sad is the soul. When you believe in things that you don't understand, then you suffer. Superstitions ain't the way. Yeah, yeah, woo. Music is a word within itself, with a language we all understand, with an equal opportunity for all to sing, dance, and clap their hands. But just because a record has a groove to make it in the groove, but you can tell right away the letter A when the people start to move. They can feel it all over. They can feel it all over people. They can feel it all over. They can feel it all over the people. Big wheels keep on turning, carry me home to see my kid, singing songs about the Southland. I miss Alabama once again, and I think it's a sing, yeah. Well, I heard Mr. Young sing about her. Well, I heard O'Neill put her down. Well, I hope Neil Young will remember a southern man that named him around anyhow. Sweet home Alabama, where the skies are so blue. Sweet home Alabama, Lord, I'm coming home to you. Just a small town girl living in a lonely world. She took the midnight train going anywhere. Just a city boy, born and raised in South Detroit. He took the midnight train going anywhere. Ooh, her eyes make the stars look like they're not shining. Her hair falls perfectly without her trying. She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day. Yeah, I know. When I compliment her, she won't believe me. And it's so sad to think that she don't see what I see. But every time she asks me, do I look okay? I say, when I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change. 'Cause you're amazing, just the way you are. And when you smile, the whole